Okay, arrange the following decimals in the order as indicated. So it can be ascending order or descending order. So ascending order means increasing order. Okay. Ascending order means increasing order. So you have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. Okay. Yes, Riddhi Siddhi, tell me the answer for this first one.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Hmm.
The
You have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Yes, Riddhi Siddhi.
sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, question number 9. Arrange the following decimals in order as indicated. In
Okay.
increasing means ascending order.
Yeah, carry.
First number. First number is 7.34.
Okay, 7.30.
7.30.
Okay, second.
2.02 to 8.02.
8.02. Okay, correct. Next.
8.22.
8.22. Okay.
8.22. 28.02.
Okay, how you have done it? First tell me.
28.02.
Okay, it's correct, but how you have done it?
सबसे first, sir, first smaller number we took.
Okay, but how you have directly done the comparison? पहले तो ये check करना पड़ेगा ना whether these are like decimals or unlike decimals. Then only we can compare it.
Like that. Yes,
So
sir.
are these like decimals or unlike decimals?
So these are like decimals.
Correct. So that's why we have directly done the comparison. If they were
That's how directly.
if they were unlike
If they
decimals,
were first we should first we will convert into like fractions, then we will solve it.
like
If they were
decimals,
like
not like decimals, not
if they
fractions.
if yes, sir, if there were unlike decimal, first we will convert into like decimals and then solve that question in ascending order. Solve
Okay.
this sum.
Okay, correct. Okay. Mute yourself. Next one. Yes, Ritika Bangad. I think so. She's not there. Yes, Shreya Gilda.
Yes, sir. Second question. 0.01, 0.02, 0.12, 12, 0.11. Sir, we have to solve it in descending order. So first, this all are like fractions. So we will do directly 0.12.
Now descending means decreasing order. Okay.
Yes.
So which will come first?
0.12.
0.12. Okay. Next.
0.11.
0.11. Okay. Next.
Then 0.02.
0.02.
0.01.
0.01. Okay. As these were like decimals, so we have directly compared the numbers and got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Correct. Mute yourself. Arush Bangad.
Yes, sir.
Arush, why the camera is off?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So, sir, question is 7.8. Sir, first we have to write in descending, means decreasing, and the numbers are 7.82, 7.02, 0.07, 7.17, 7.007. So,
Okay.
sir, they are in unlike fraction.
Okay.
So, sir,
Correct.
we will make it like fraction.
How
So,
we will know?
7.820,
Correct.
7.020,
Correct.
0.070,
Correct.
7.170,
Correct. Next.
And 7.007 will be average.
Okay, correct.
So,
No-
sir, first we will write there 7.820.
7.820 will come first. Okay.
And
Next.
sir, second will be 7.020.
7.020. Okay, correct.
No, sir, no, sir. Sir, no. Sir, next will be 7.170, not
Okay.
7.020.
Okay, okay. One will come first. Correct.
Yes, sir, 7.170.
Okay. 7.170. Next.
970. Then 7.020.
7.020. Okay, then next.
Sir, then next 7.007.
7.007. Next.
And sir, now last 0.070.
Okay, so this will be the descending order, decreasing order of the given decimals.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Ajinkya Shitole, next one.
Sir, I didn't understood this question. Sir, this question I didn't understood.
Which question? This D1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know like decimals and unlike decimals?
Yes, sir. I have to just put a zero on the biggest. Sir, biggest is 6003 and 6606. Sir, then I have to just put zeros on that.
Okay, first do that. Okay, tell me. For
Okay, sir.
6.03, what it will become? Ajinkya Shitole, don't mute yourself. Keep it unmute only.
Sir, 6.03 will become 6.030.
Correct. Okay, next.
Sir, 6.21 will become 6.2100.
Next.
No, sir, 1 only 0. Then 6.003 will come as it is. Then
Okay.
6.5 will become more 0, 20.
Okay, next.
Sir, then 6.06 will become 10, sir. Then 6.606 will become as it is.
हाँ, अभी ascending बोला है. Ascending का meaning क्या है बेटा? It is increasing.
Okay, sir. Sir, yes.
You have to write these numbers in increasing order now. Tell me which one will come first.
Sir, first will come 6.030.
6.030 और this one 6.003. ये दोनों में
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ये छोटा है ना सबसे.
Yes, sir.
सो जो सबसे छोटा है वो सबसे पहले आएगा 6.003. नेक्स्ट व्हाट?
6.00. Then 6.030.
6.030.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 6.030. Okay, next.
Sir, then 6.060.
6.060.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 6.060. Okay, next.
Sir, then this 6.500.
6.5 नहीं आएगा ना बेटा, 6.2 आएगा ना.
6.210. Yes, sir.
6.210. Okay, next.
Sir, then 6.500.
And at the last 6.
6.600. 6.606.
Now see here also you can compare Ajinkya. See, this is the whole part of each decimal. This is the whole part. It is same. Okay. So इसको compare
Sir,
नहीं.
I can compare it in short form also, na?
No. Convert it into like decimals, then only compare it. It becomes easy for you to understand.
Okay, sir.
Now see here, the whole part is same for all the decimal values. You have to compare the fraction part only, means this part only. Okay. Fraction part of each decimal. Okay. And from there,
0.003, sir.
from there you will decide which one is greater, which one is smaller, and according to that you will write in the given indicated order. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mute yourself. Next one, Madhvi Lohia.
Yes, sir. The next question.
We'll start exercise 6.2. Okay. What is the question?
Convert the following fraction into decimal.
Hmm.
So, sir, we have to divide it now.
No need to divide it, beta. Whenever there is like this 10, 100, 1000 in the denominator, it becomes easy. No need to divide it. So this will come what? 3.5. After one digit, there will be a decimal point because in the denominator there is 10. If it was like this, see here, if it was like this, so after decimal point, 2 digits will come. If 100 is there in the denominator, if it is like this, 1000 in the denominator, so it will come like this, 0.035. Are you getting it?
Yes.
It depends on the denominator, how many zeros are there. If 1 0 is there, after decimal point, there will be 1 digit. If 2 zeros are there, after decimal point, there will be 2 digits. If 3 zeros are there, after decimal point, there will be 3 digits. Is it clear to everyone? Give the response in the chat box. Add your comments in the chat box. Okay, fine. Yes, Manit Kataria, next one. Manit.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Convert the following fraction into decimal.
Hmm.
4 upon 10.
Hmm.
Sir, so answer will be 0.4.
0.4. See, because here in the denominator there is 10. So after decimal point, 1 digit should come. Okay. So 0.4 is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. Rajshri Thete. Rajshri.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer
Sir,
for me.
sir, first we will convert this mixed fraction into improved fraction.
Okay, so what it will come then?
Sir, I am solving. 2201 upon 100.
Correct. 2201 upon 100. So now two zeros are there in the denominator. So where we will put the decimal point?
Sir, right side. Sir, our answer is 0.0220.
Wrong. What I told, 2 zeros are there in the denominator. So after decimal point, only 2 digits should come. So 1 will come after decimal point and 22 will come before the decimal point. So 22.01 is the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yes, Devesh Soni.
Yes, sir.
Turn on the camera also.
Yes, sir. Am I visible?
Yes. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Rajeshri, mute yourself. Carry on.
Yes, sir. Convert the following fraction into decimals. D. 4 3 by 1000. Sir, first we will convert it into improper fraction.
Okay.
Is equals to 1000 into 4 plus 3 means 4003
Okay. 4003 upon
1000.
Okay, so what it will come now?
4.003.
Okay, 4.003. As there are 3 zeros in the denominator, so after decimal point, 3 digits should come. Okay,
Yes, sir.
mute yourself. Vaishnavi Jaju, next one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
33 upon 100. So, sir, in the denominator there is 100. So, 0.33 is the answer.
0.33 is the answer. Correct.
30, yes.
Okay, next one. Yes, Soham Rathod.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, F1, 5 whole number 6 by 10. So we have to convert it into improper fraction. So 10 5 are 56 by 10. So it
56 by
would
10.
be
Hmm.
5.06.
5.6 only because only 1 0 is there in the denominator. So after decimal, only 1 digit will come.
Okay, sir.
Mute yourself. Next one. Yes, Ajay Kumar God.
Yes, sir.
Turn on the camera also.
So, I'm ill.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So, first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction.
Okay.
100 into 1.
Hmm.
That's 100 only plus 5. 105 upon 100.
Okay. 105 upon 100. So what it will come then?
1.05.
1.05. Correct. 1.05. Yes, Harshita Dodia, next one.
Yes, sir. Convert the following fraction into decimal. 90 by 1000.
Hmm.
0.090.
Now pay attention here, Harshita. This 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. So what is remaining now? 9 upon 100 is remaining. So 9 upon 100, how we write it? 0.09.
0.099.
Okay. Okay. Next one, Aditya Khatti. Aditya Khatti. Aditya Khatti, can you hear me? Yes, Gaurav Bangad. Gaurav Bangad.
Sir,
Hmm.
convert the following fractions into decimal by changing the denominator to the multiple of 10.
Hmm.
That is 5 by 7.
Your voice is
Sir,
not
how-
coming.
Sir, how we will do this?
Denominator, you have to make it as multiple of 10.
Sir, we have to multiply it, na?
Correct. So for making the denominator as multiple of 10, what you will do? You will multiply the denominator by 10. Okay.
Okay.
And in the numerator also you will have to multiply because denominator में आपने किया है तो numerator में भी करना पड़ता है in order to balance the
sir.
equation. So this will come what?
Sir, 3 by 7.
70. Okay. Now convert it into decimals.
So that is 5.0.
Hmm?
5.0.
5 tens are and 5. How much are?
5
So 10 divided by 14 you have to do now. 10 is inside, 14 is outside. Do the division and tell me the answer. Sorry. Come on, do it fast. Shreya, Gilda, it's wrong. Others also can give the answers in the chat box. Calculate it. Girija, your answer is wrong. Pranav Rathod, your answer is wrong. Tanvi, your answer is also wrong. Reva, your answer is also wrong. Ajinkya, your answer is also wrong. Madhvi, your answer is also wrong. Rudra, your answer is also wrong. Riddhi Siddhi, your answer is also wrong. Why no one is able to give the answer? I told to do this division. You do the division, you will get the answer. See, we cannot divide 10 by 14. So what we will have to take? We will have to take 0 point here. Okay. And 1 0 will come here. Now 14, how much is less than 100? 7 are 98. Okay. So 0 0.7 will come here. What is remaining? 2 is remaining. We'll put a 0 here. 14 ones is 14. Okay, we will keep it as it is. Only 2 decimals are enough. So 0.71 will come the answer. Okay. Only 2 digits are enough after the decimal point. No need to divide it completely. So 0.71 is the answer. See, it is 10 upon 14, not 14 upon 10. When it is 14 upon 10, then it comes 1.4, but it was reversed, 10 upon 14. So we have to do the division in this case. Okay. Most of you gave the answer as 1.4 and that was wrong. Okay, next one. Akshara Nimodia. Akshara. Okay, Arush.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Convert the following fractions into decimals by changing the denominator to a multiple of 10.
It
So,
is
sir,
already the
sir, it
multiple
is
of.
already multiple of 10. So 50 multiplied by 1. So
Okay.
in numerator also there will be 15 multiplied by 1.
Okay.
So it will be 15 upon 50.
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir. So 15 divided by 50.
So if we divide by 5, see now 3, 5 threes are and 5 tens are. Now 3 upon 10 it came. So what it comes? 0.3. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ne
sir.
Next one. Yes, Madhvi Loya.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Volume 39 by 200.
Okay.
So we will multiply 200 by 1 and 39 by 1 only.
Okay. Next.
So we have to divide it. 39 divided by 200.
Okay. What it comes in?
Sir, just a second.
Just divide it by 2. Just divide it by 2 to the numerator and denominator.
We have to just divide it by 2.
Okay. See here, 19.5 upon 100 it will come. Okay. Now in the denominator 100 is there. In the numerator 19.5 is there. Yes. Who will tell me the answer for this? Now this is
Sir,
interesting.
can I say
Yes.
1.95?
No, beta.
Because there are 2 zeros, na?
Okay. Now pay attention. Okay. First, let me ask the answers. Let me see who can give the answer of this. Yes, Manit. Manit Kataria.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Can you answer this 19.5 upon 100? How we will do it? Girija, your answer is correct. Huh? Girija Suryakant. Your answer is correct.
Sir, the answer will be
Ritika, your answer is also correct. Yes, Manit. Ananya, your answer is also correct. Yes, Manit, can you tell me? Yes, Devesh Soni.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
First we have to do 200 into 5. Means it would be 1000.
Okay,
And also with 39. 39 into 5.
okay, you have done it that way. No issue, no issue. It's correct. 39 into 5 upon 200 into 5. Okay.
5.
Huh.
Sir, so 39 into 5 is equals to 195. So sir,
190.
195 upon 1000. So
Okay.
0.195.
0.195. This way is also correct. Huh? What Devesh has done, that is also correct. Now we came till this step. We have to write the final answer. Now here it is 19.5. So what I will do, in order to remove the decimal, I will multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. मुझे वो decimal point हटाना है. So I will multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. So this will become again 195 upon 1000. And again it will come what? 0.195. Okay. Either you do by this way or you follow Devesh Soni's way. Okay. Both are correct. Is
Sir,
it?
can I mute?
Yes. Mute yourself. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Next one. Now this one is interesting. Huh? Okay. Who will do this? Vaishnavi, can you try this 9 upon 128?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
9 upon 128.
Hmm.
So 128 into 10 and 9 into 10
Hmm.
and 90 upon 1280.
Okay. But still the division is critical. How we can make
So
it
we
simple?
can So we can try with 100.
100. So it will come 900 divided by 12,800.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Riddhi Siddhi.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
We will multiply 128 into 5 and 9 into 5.
Okay. So what it will come then?
128 into 5, 9 into 5 is equal to 45, and 128 into 5 is equal to 640. So 45 upon 640.
Okay. Huh. Then
Sir, then we have to divide. Sir, then we will divide 640 with 45. Means with 45 will be the divisor, but 640 will be the 645 will be the divisor, sir.
645 or 640?
640, sir. That answer came my 640. So we
Hmm.
will divide 640
Hmm.
by 45. 45 will be the divisor.
We will divide 45 by 640 or 645 by 45.
Sir, 45 by 640 means 45 will be the divisor.
45 will be the divisor. That is wrong then.
Divisor, sir, means we will divide in 45 table. 640. That's I want to say.
Okay, you want to divide these two numbers by 640, but then again it will come 1 upon something. Then again you will perform the division 2 times.
Oh, sir. It was first will so.
See, always the numerator value is dividend. It comes inside. The denominator value is the divisor. Okay.
Sir, so we will take 2 zeros. 2 zeros.
2 zeros. So,
Yes. Yes, sir.
okay. 128 means 10 plus 1, 11. No. Gaurav, that is not possible. Gaurav Bangat, that is not possible. Okay. Now pay attention, Riddhi Siddhi, as per the answer which you gave, we will do it like that only. 45 upon 64 into 10. I will write it like this. I have breaked this number 640 like this, 64 into 10. So I
Okay,
will
sir.
keep this 10 aside. Okay. Keep this
Yes.
10 aside. What I will do, I will do 45 divided by 64. Now we cannot divide 45 divided by 64. So we will have to put one
Add
zero here.
1 zero.
Now tell
50 by
64, how much is less than 450?
64. No, sir.
64
sir,
5
64.
64 5 is 320. 6 will become what?
First wait.
384.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 7 will become what? 448.
Sir, 6 are 348. 384.
7 will become 448.
448. So, sir, it's right now. 448.
Yes, 2 will come here. Next.
64, 0.7.
Next.
By 450.
Hmm.
Then we will divide it by 440.
Now we will have to take here 2 zeros. Yes or no? After 2,
Yes,
we will
sir.
have to take 2 zeros, but we cannot take 2
zeros.
zeros. So 1 0 we will take it here and 1 0 we can put it here. Okay. Next.
Yes.
64, how much are 3s are? What is 64 3s are?
Yes, sir.
192.
64 3s are 192.
Okay. So what we got 0.70 and the 10 is remaining
Yes.
still in the denominator. So what it
Yes,
will
sir.
come? 0.07 will be the answer. Okay.
0.07 is our answer. 0.07.
Always keep this thing in mind that numerator value comes inside the division sign. Okay. And denominator
Yes, sir.
value comes outside. That is the divisor.
Okay. That's the device.
Okay, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
See, next part we will continue it tomorrow.
This is 0.07.
We will have to stop here now. One thing I wanted to ask,